was a cold and frosty July morn when I kicked the sheets and greeted the dawn. Grabbed my jacket and badge hat too and headed off on my tri-state 500cc of just raw power. Lonely corners, wine by the hours. Classic day, just for a ride with me on my chrome with the world by my side. The world thumper shoe, but no flat out and fifth as the taco flows. The vibe they tingle and run the bars. My hands near numb and still no cards. The needle sits on a steady 8-0. The blinker's back to a to and a fro. I bank her deep into a hairpin bend. Scrape the banks, but it's not the end. Drop down to a lower gear. Hit the throttle and green with fear. I crank her over, then power her on. Scrape the tube, but nothing wrong. Back up again and on the straights. Power her on, then set her straight. There's no place I think I'd rather be than chill in the country on a 500cc. 500cc, 500cc, 500cc. The old thumper shoe belts out and no flat out in feet as the taco flows. The vibes they tingle and run the bars. My hands near numb and still no car. There's no place I think I'd rather be than chill in the country in a 500cc. 500cc, 500cc, 500cc.